I want for this thing. I know what it is. It's white. And then the squishy. And this.
Can you add? This is really legendary.
Water timer. And this one too.
Decline.
It's going once, going twice. Me. Okay, what's your offer?
I'll offer the squishy and this.
Deal.
It's going once, going twice.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
This really good squishy,
One more thing.
this mochi, and this bead you can just run around and it's good for school. And you can scratch at it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Trading this unicorn squish, going once, going twice.
Me.
Okay, what would you like to offer?
This marble and mesh, this kind of dirty unicorn mochi, and this emoji fidget. Basically, you can like squish at it.
Can you add just one more thing and that's a deal? It can be as tiny as you want.
This pig mochi.
Deal.
Thank you.
Trading this monster squish, going once, going twice.
Me.
What would you like to offer?
The unicorn puppet. This water timer. This. And this.
That's an amazing offer, so I'll even add 2 monkey noodles. Is that still a deal?
Now. Too much.